Hi, good evening. My name is Beverly Jane Bacos with ID number 1631762. Tonight, I'll be highlighting how Jack Ma demonstrates strong leadership through vision, values, and strategic action. First, Jack Ma puts vision, values, and purpose into action by inspiring others through his powerful communication. His speeches often move audiences not just because of his words, but because of the belief behind them. He also encourages others with passion, consistently energizing his teams and followers. His passion for education, entrepreneurship, and innovation shines through everything he does. In terms of execution, he focuses on goal achievement by clearly defining individual roles with his organizations, helping people see how their work contributes to a bigger purpose. He actively works to strengthen workplace collaboration, promoting teamwork as the key to a long-term success. When it comes to promoting strategic vision and action, Jack Ma is known for empowering his teams with autonomy and ownership. He believes that trusting employees leads to innovation. He also encourages risk-taking, pushing his team to challenge norms and embrace failure as a stepping stone. And finally, he's highly innovative, leading Alibaba to evolve constantly from e-commerce to cloud computing to global expansion. Overall, Jack Ma's leadership is a blend of inspiration, strategic thinking, and bold action, making him a global icon of visionary leadership. Thank you. And I would like to pass the discussion back to Sir.